I'm looking at selling my house. I'm busy and trying to keep up with everything, and just the thought of selling the house, it was all becoming overwhelming. A good friend of mine has just sold her house, and I was amazed at what Street Appeal was able to do with her place. So I thought, well, I'll try with this lady.
Looking at the property, we were looking at optimising the property's value. We buy with our eyes first, and initial interest these days is captured by the internet, and if we don't have wonderful photos to present, the wonderful gardens, the alluring picture of the home and its gardens represent that first take.
It's been great. I feel like it's a friend coming home, doing my gardening. It's nice to catch up and nice to see the progress that you do each time. Going with a style that I am, that's not, over the top. Now I'm able to, sit out the front and enjoy how everything looks. I was then able to go that next step with you with staging some things in the yard, the front and back. So I'm really, really thrilled. It's wonderful.
The value of the home was increased because of the staging that we saw internally and externally. So the dual staging of the home really did present a high price.